In this video, we are going to discuss what is the basic structure of an HTML document. So, HTML document always starts with the HTML tag. It is a container tag, so it has an ending tag too. So, what is the difference between the opening and closing HTML tag? The opening tag HTML is just written between the angle brackets, and the ending tag is nothing different from the opening tag. Just one difference, this forward slash which appears before the HTML tag name. So anything this HTML document is going to contain will be written between this opening and closing HTML tag. Now any HTML document has basically two parts. One is called head. It is also a container tag. So it has also the opening tag and the closing tag. And the next part is the body tag. It is also a container tag. So it has both the opening and the closing part. Now, anything you will retain inside this head tag will not appear in the browser window. Means the main part where all the contents of an HTML document is visible will not appear there. But what you will write inside this opening and closing body tag, that will appear in the browser window. So I am writing something. I am writing HTML. Just I am writing HTML and I am going to save the document. Then I am going to switch the view to this browser window and I am pressing F5 to reload the page. So I am pressing F5 and you see the text what I have written between the opening and closing HTML tag appears in this web page. So what are you writing between this opening and closing HTML body tag? It will appear in this web page. So it is the basic structure of HTML document. So what will we write between this opening and closing head tag? For this video, we will write the title tag. So what is this title tag? And see, I have written the other HTML tags in small letter and I am writing this title tag using the capital letter because HTML is not case sensitive. You can write it in small letters, you can write it in capital letters. So it is not case sensitive. So what is the purpose of this title tag? So I am writing here web page. Just I am writing here web page. Okay. So I am saving the file and you can see whatever I write in the title tag, it will appear in the title bar. I typed web page between the opening and closing title tag. So it appears just right here in the title bar. So what are you writing inside the title tag will appear in the title bar, and whatever you are writing between this opening and closing body tag, it will just appear inside the web page. So in the next videos, you are going to see more features about HTML.